first.
We're taking a canal tour.
Morning.
Oi, look at the spelling of Bruges.
Picture.
This is the main station. We just got off the train and now we're walking this way to the town. You could take a free shuttle, but we're not. Instead of walking down the main road from the train station to the town, we're walking through this really pretty park. And it's beautiful. Every turn, every corner. Every turn, every corner. Every corner, every turn. It's like something from a fairy tale. Crow. Crow. There we go. Thank you. It's always us behind, looking at things to take pictures of and birds.
We could have.
What are we doing?
We are taking a canal tour.
Woo! You guys excited?
Very.
It's a bit hot though.
Yeah, I know. I'm kind of thinking that we probably should have done this first and then done all the churches and stuff afterwards.
Yeah, but it's too late now.
Yeah. Now we know.
Now we know.
I feel it like a rhythm that hit that change. But with double timing forward, I love the way you look like summer, but burn like a fire in winter. Now the mountains to the desert to the ocean waves have a glow I can't ignore, but I can't explain. It makes me want to see it all. What do you say? Oh. Hey! Let's go taking a view. Now the whole world's in color, baby, we're on the move. Hey! It's like my vision is new. Everything's more beautiful when I see it with you. Driving down the highway like it's ours to take, and with every single exit an adventure waits. Even on a road I've driven 1,000.
Random cow on a bike.
Brussel-Zuid, Brussel Centraal en Brussel-Noord en dan rijdt het daarna verder richting Leuven en Genk. Eerst volgende halte Brussel-Zuid. Chers voyageurs, dans quelques instants nous arriverons à Bruxelles. Ce train s'arrête à Bruxelles Midi, Bruxelles Centrale et Bruxelles Nord. Et après, ce train continuera vers Louvain et Genk.